What? Now it is done. Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed the concept of like terms, unlike terms, monomials, binomials, trinomials. Now we'll discuss 12.1. In that, sir, can we host meeting without Zoom? No. To host the meeting, you have to sign in meeting. You can join the meeting without that. There is the pen. Okay, it is here. Now, good morning, Rachit. So in 12.1, we discussed question number 1 that day. If you remember, first ask me doubts in question number 1. Class, first ask me question number 1 doubts. We will go step by step. Okay, there is note on question number 1. Very good. Anyone having doubts in question number 1, please tell. In the question 1, we have discussed 4-5 parts in the last class. 6 part, Saishi. Okay, question number 1, 6 part, doubt is there. It is saying number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. So there are 3 things. First is product of numbers m and n. Plus, what do we mean by product of m and n? Please tell. It is simply m into n or mn. No issue. Then they are saying number 5 added to 3 times the product of m and n. So let us find the 3 time product. So 3 times product of m and n is given by how much? 3 mn. And now they are saying number 5 is added. So very easy. Therefore final is ATQ 3 mn plus 5. This is the answer. Saishi, is it clear now? Please tell. Is it clear now, beta? Okay. Sir, ATQ. ATQ, beta, many times we have used. According to the question. ATQ normally we use at the end statement where actually we are compiling all the things. Because I have broken the question in many parts. I have broken the question in first part, this one, second part, this one, and finally what I did, I merged all the parts. That is why I use the term according to the question. Okay. Now, question number 2. Please ask. Any doubts in question number 2? I will discuss that. Please ask. Question number 2 is saying identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagrams. Sir, E part, okay. Anyone else? Please ask. Sir, why you not make solution video, all exercises, all part these days? Abhas. Okay, because Abhas, we are trying to discuss in class only. Hai na? Actually, issue is time. All the issue is time right now. I'm not giving time to make those videos. That is why I'm trying to solve here. Okay, because there is no need. Yes, actually we are discussing almost everything. That is why it is not required. You know? If time was there, I would have made it for you, but time is not there. That is why I am skipping all this right now. You will get to know why I am busy due to all this. There are some school factors, there are some outside factors. That is why problem is there. Now we are discussing the part E part. Question number 2. We have to draw the this one, what you say, factor tree. So the question is minus AB plus 2B square plus minus 3A square. So when will you check the notebook? Soon I will tell you to send the PDFs in my WhatsApp now. Okay. समय जीवन का धन है. Okay. Minus 3A square. Now class, how many terms are there? Please tell me. How many terms are there in this option? There are 3 terms. So first we will try to write the terms separate. The first term is minus AB. Tell me what is the second term? So we can write over here terms. The first heading is terms. Question number 1, second part. Okay. The second term is 2b square and the third term is plus, the third term is minus 3a square. Okay. If you have any confusion, you can write the question as minus ab plus 2b square plus minus 3a square. Now it will be easy for you to understand. Now after getting this, we have to do the factor thing. How many factors are there of minus ab? So class, tell me the factors. First factor of minus ab is what? Please tell me. First factor of minus ab is minus 1. You can say Bani minus a is correct, but you can take minus 1 also, because you can understand minus ab came from minus 1 into a into b. Let me write like that. One second. We can write this as, to make it easy, I can write minus ab as minus 1 into a into b. So suppose it is the prime factorization. Now I can say the factors are minus 1 comma a comma b plus, tell me, are there any more factors possible? We can say minus a, minus b, ab, all factors are possible. Okay. In the book, they have not shown you all the factors. They have just shown you the required or the important one. You can have more factors also. So similarly, I can break this 2b square also. Class, I can write it has come from 2 into b into b. If you try to understand, 2b square came from 2 into b. No, no Lavya, there are not infinite factors. Factors कभी भी बेटा infinite नहीं होते. Multiples are infinite, factors are not infinite. Always remember this thing. Lavya, this is a doubt in your mind, you should understand. Factors कभी भी infinite नहीं होते, ठीक है, multiples होते हैं. Suppose you say table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 300 are 300, 3000s are 3 lakhs are 3 1 crores are 3 million, billion, trillion, zillion, whatever it is, it will keep on going. So factors are limited, but multiples are unlimited. Okay. So in this case, I can write 2b square as 2 into b, and we can write the factors are 2 comma b comma p. In the book, they have shown the factor tree like this. They have drawn 3 dashes like this, and they have shown the factors are minus 3, a and a. So like this also you can draw, and it is looking like a tree only, na? Because there we have a starting one branch, then two branches, then more branches, like this. No issue, but Bunny, actually the thing is you should understand the concept. Okay, if you want to draw a tree diagram, it is easy like this only. Sir, factor of 2b can be 2b also. Yes, beta, that is I'm saying, na? In the book, they have not covered all the factors. They have covered normal 3 or 4 factors which are visible only. Pigeon is there. Okay, Mukta is saying first part. Sir, in question also, yes, like a family tree. We have seen in a family tree, we have our grandparents, then we have parents and their brothers, sisters, then we have us, and like that. It will keep on increasing. So you can draw, Ashmit, if it is saying draw tree diagram, you can draw that also, no issue. Let me draw a diagram for you. If you want to draw a tree diagram, that is not difficult, very easy. And let us draw that. Just you need to draw the bifurcations. So let us say the blue pen, you can say minus 1, A and B. Similarly, you can do for other also. Okay, it is not difficult. Sir, please explain C part. Okay, but before that, Mokshita is saying question number 1, second part. Mokshita, beta, we have done second part of question 1. Mokshita, we have done second part. Question number 2, second. Okay. F part of second. Okay, let us take that. So please explain C part. But a C part of which question? Question first part only, na? Let us see. Question number 2, first part in that C option. Y minus y cube. Again, we have to understand there are two terms. Okay. Okay, Mokshita, I will take that. Don't worry. So we have two terms. Again, we will first write the terms. Terms are y and minus y cube. Yes, class. Is it fine? Please tell. Is it fine? Saishi, is it fine? Any issue in this one? Okay. Now, if you want to draw the factors, you can see here only y is there. So you can say 1 and y. Just to show the factor tree, I have taken 1 from my side and a y. Similarly, in this case, you can take minus 1. Why? Actually, in the book, they are giving you in this way only. They are just opening it y and all. But actually, the factors are of this number is minus 1, y square, y cube. The main factors are these one. But I think in class 7th, they are not telling you these factors. They are just giving you the easy one like this. So you can continue with that only. Okay. Factors can be more, but in the book, they have given you the easy way. Just they have broken it. How it came. How? They are saying y cube came from, they are saying that this thing came from minus 1 into y into y into y. And that is why they have made like this. Okay. So they are actually concerned about how the term came, and that only they are saying are the factors. That's it. Now we will take question number 2, second part, F portion by Lavya. Question number 2, second part, F portion. Sir, I want to ask you a thing. If we are asked in exam that how many factors are there and you are writing 1 also as a factor and I am not, then how many factors will be there? Okay. The thing is, this question will be feasible when we are discussing properly the complete concept. Right now, they are not giving you the complete thing. Suppose I ask you for number 12, how many factors are possible? In this case, you are confirmed. The first factor is 1. Always remember this thing. 1 is always a factor. And if you see, actually, it is plus minus 1. Not only 1, but minus 1 is also factor of this number 12. Because minus 1 into minus 12 will give you what? Please tell me, Bani. Minus 1 into minus 12 will give you what? 12 only. So plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and plus minus 12. These are all possible factors of 12. But the thing is, हमको अभी ये सब नहीं कराया गया. In class 7th, we are not told all these things. Same things we will understand in class 9th also, class 8th also. Actually, they are trying to take you step by step. That is why they are not giving you all the factors. Okay. But sir, when we do y1, y2, y cube in exam, the marks will not cut. No, I will not cut your marks because that is a greater concept that you are giving me. I will be happy with that. Okay. The thing is, you have understood the concept. Okay. So in this book, they are just wanting you to write the multiples, nothing else. Let me show you how. Okay. Let us discuss that part asked by Lavya and Ryan also. The question is question number 7, F part, na? Yes. 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. Class again. So if I don't write 1, then it will be correct. It will be correct, but in all possible factors, 1 should be there. Okay. So class, tell me first of all, in this F portion, what are the number of terms? what are the number of terms? First, again, there are 3 terms, so we will write the terms. So we will write the terms first. The first term is, class, tell me, 1.2 AB. The second term is minus 2.4 B, and the third term is 3.6 A. Now we have to find the factors. For factors, what we do is we try to understand from where this 1.2 AB came. We try to understand from where this 1.2 AB came. It came from 1.2 into A into B. Is it correct, class? Please tell me. Please tell. Okay. Similarly, we can say this minus 2.4b came from minus 1 into 2.4 into b. There can be many ways to write the answer. Okay, don't be confused by that. This can be written as 3.6 into a. So normally, as per the book, if you write, you will write the factors are 1.2, a and b. And by this you will write minus 1, 2.4 and b. By this you will write 3.6 and a. So class, are you able to understand how we are writing the factors? No, Rachit is saying. Okay. So now you have written x. One second. One second. What you are asking, Vani? Let me read. Sir, but now you have written x power 1 in first one and you have written in second one. Not getting. Okay. Okay, I will take more examples of this. So what we are doing is we are writing the multiples only, and you can get more factors like this. 1.2 a is a factor, 1.2 b is a factor, ab is a factor. That is a different thing. Okay, in the book they want you to just write them separately like this. I am telling that into one. Okay, into one. Okay, you can write into one here also, no issue. I am telling, if you are writing, it is fine. If not writing, it is also fine. Just you need to show how the number came. That's it. Okay. Let me take one more example. Suppose I take the B part. Actually, in this class, they are limiting the concept now to make it easy for you. Let me take the B part. In that, they are saying minus 4x plus 5y. Try to understand this one. We can write this as minus 4x and 5y. These are terms of this question. Now, you can write this as minus 1, 4 and x. Class, tell me, is this fine? What I have done is I am only doing one thing. I am breaking the terms. Okay. Similarly, in this one, I can break right now that it is 5 and y. That's it. In your book, this only they are doing. Although there are more factors possible. But what they are doing is, sir, minus 1, where did it come from? Okay. If I don't take minus 1, I will have to say it is minus 4. Actually, I have seen minus 4x as minus 1 into 4 into x. If you want, you can take like this also. It is also correct. That's it. Ashmit, minus 1. Sir, for second term, we can write, yes, you can write that also. Here also you can write 1 if you want. That will be correct. Okay. Kritika is saying minus 4x. Yes, beta, that is correct. Yes, because minus 1 into 4 and minus 4 are same things. I was confused in this only. Now it is fine, beta, Rachit. Now it is clear. Yes, there are more factors possible. Let me tell you how. the more factors possible are minus 4x, then you have in this one you have 5y, a factor possible. You can have more factors possible. In your book, the factor tree that they are making, they are just making it open. Yes, Nana. G part, okay. Let's see the G part now. The G part they are saying is 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. Moksha, but after this I will take you out. Question 1 again. Hai. First try to ask when the question is going on. Na? When I came to question number 2 and you are asking question number 1, that is a wrong thing. Just see. Again, we will write the terms first. There are two terms, 3 by 4x and 1 by 4. Now we'll write the factors. Class, tell me what are the factors? 3 by 4 and x. They are the, what can you say? Smallest factor. You can make many combinations from them. Sir, if you're writing minus 2, yes, beta. Kritika, it is correct. And the factor for 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 only. If you want, you can write 1 also extra. It will not harm you. Here also, if you want, you can write 1 extra because it will not harm you and 1 can be taken. My doubt was and this part also. So I think this is clear now, everyone. Question 7, second part. Okay, Ryan, I will come to that. Now, question number, Janvi Talwar is joining now. Okay. Second part you are seeing now. Okay, class, just for a moment. Question number 1, second part. 1/2 of the number, 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. I will try to make a solution of this because there are many questions. I think you are having issues. So I will make a solution of this so that it is easy for you to compare. I will try to make it. Now, Mokshita, sum of x and y. Sum of x and y is given by x plus y. Then they are saying 1/2 of this. So 1/2 of x and y means 1/2 of x plus y. So answer is 1 by 2 x plus y. That's it. Mokshita. Simple. Okay. No Rishi, not minus half. It is getting multiplied in this. Okay. Now question number 3. Anyone in doubts in question number 3? Please ask. Doubts in question number 3? Please ask. Identify the numerical coefficient of terms other than constants in the following expressions. So you have to see the variable terms and find their coefficients. Suppose I take second part. You will write the question is 1 plus t square plus t cube. What you will do is you will write the terms first. The terms are 1 t square and t cube. Now tell me what is the coefficient of t? Class, tell me what is the coefficient of t? It is 1. No, beta, why 0, Diti? If nothing is there, you have to take 1 only. What is the coefficient of t square? Okay, Kritika, I will tell, don't worry. It is also 1. What is the coefficient of t cube? Again 1. Because if nothing is there, you can take 1 from your side. If nothing is there, you can take 1 from your side. Now let us discuss more parts of this question. Question number third only. Let me take sixth part. 1.2a plus 0.8b. Class, let us find this one. The terms are 1.2a and 0.8b, and the coefficients are, in this case, class, tell me what is the coefficient of 1.2a. In this, the variable is a and the coefficient is the term multiplying in a. Coefficient means the term getting multiplied with a, that is 1.2. Similarly, the coefficient of b is the number which is getting multiplied with b, that is how much? 0.8. So this way we can find the coefficients. In the question they are telling to go for the variables only. Suppose I take question number 4 now. Identify term which contain x and give the coefficient of x. Okay, let us take 13y square minus 8yx. Second part. Class, tell me, there are two terms. Diti saying such coefficient is the number except the variable. No. Coefficient, I'm telling you, wait for it. First tell me the terms in this question are 13y square and minus 8yx. The question is saying find the term which is having x. Tell me in which term we have x, first term or second term? Class, in which term we have the coefficient, we have the variable x? Please tell. We have the variable x in second term. Now tell me what is coefficient of x? Please tell me what is coefficient of x? What is coefficient of x? To find the coefficient you have to cover the thing. To find the coefficient you have to cover the thing, and whatever is multiplying in that thing, that will be your coefficient. Class, see, you have minus 8yx. They want you to find the coefficient of x. So cover the x with your hand. Cover the x with your hand. What is multiplying in x? What is getting multiplied in x? Not only 8. Please understand this thing. 8y, yes. Minus 8y is the coefficient of x. If I ask in the same question, what is coefficient of y? Class, please tell me. If I ask in the same question, what is coefficient of y? That will be minus 8x. Good. Because in this one, the coefficient is, if you cover the y, minus 8x is left. Okay. Now let me take one more part. Sir, if 12g power 3, then coefficient is g equal to 12. Okay, one second. Class, please see the doubt by Kritika. If you have a question 12g power 3 and it is asking what is coefficient of g, you will say nothing because g is not there. They have to ask what is the coefficient of g cube. If they ask what is coefficient of g cube, then you will say answer is, class, then the answer is 12. Let me give you one more example. Suppose the question is 1.5 x square plus 2.6 x plus 3.8. Please tell me the coefficient of x. Please tell me the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is not 1.5, Nana. You are not getting it. Try to understand. Now it is correct. X and x square are different. I have told you this thing. X and x square are different. The coefficient of x is this term we are talking about. Cover the x. What is left? 2.6. If I ask the coefficient of x square, if I ask the coefficient of x square, what is that? That is 1.5. Now it is correct. If I ask the constant in this expression, tell me what is the constant in this expression? Tell me, what is the constant in the above expression? What is the constant? Please tell me. Yes, the constant is 3.8. Constant is that term which is having no variable. Constant is that term which is having no variable. One more example for you, class. One more example. 1.5 xy square plus 2.7 z plus 3y equal to 0. Class, tell me, what is the coefficient of z? Tell me the coefficient of z. It is 2.7. Very good. Tell me coefficient of x. Tell me coefficient of x. Don't do any mistake. Very careful. Coefficient of x. Cover the x and see whatever is multiplying with x. Whatever is multiplying with x, that will be your coefficient. Cover the x. If you cover the x, you will see, if I cover the x, what is left? 1.5 y square. If I want to ask coefficient of y square, class, please tell me, what is coefficient of y square? It is 1.5x. Very good. 1.5x. If I want to ask coefficient of xy square, coefficient of xy square, please tell. It is 1.5. Very good. Okay, so this is the concept. If I want to ask coefficient of y only, coefficient of y, it is 3. So class, now I think things are clear in your mind now about this coefficient thing and the constant thing. Okay, the constant in the equation above is what? Tell me, what is the constant in above equation? What is the constant? Constant is 0. Whatever term is having no variable is the constant. Okay, so with this we are stopping the recording.